Welcome to the 2024 Clays for Cancer. We have once again a fantastic, beautiful day here in Clinton, South Carolina at the Clinton Plantation, where we will be shooting. As you'll remember from our previous videos, Clays for Cancer is a charity clay shoot where we help raise money to benefit the American Cancer Society and specifically breast cancer research. It's held each year here at the Clinton House, and this year we have twice the number of registrants as we have had in previous years. So we're looking forward to a great day out there. We'll be asking participants, who do you shoot for? Who in your life has been impacted by breast cancer and inspired you to come out today and participate in this great event? All right, let's get out there.
Tammy, we got QR codes, we got snacks, you got raffle tickets, I got cash money in my hand.
Yep.
I got my phone here. What are we missing? Oh, are there shells? All right, here we go.
Hey, I'm Trey Pennington, and I really enjoyed shooting today. I'm shooting in honor of my mother and my sister, who both had breast cancer, and my mother's actually had multiple myeloma as well. So I appreciate what the foundation's doing. It makes a difference in people's lives, and it's a great cause.
My name's Jacob Estefeld. I shot today for my Aunt Patty Artenbrister, who passed away September 13th of stage 4 cancer.
My name is Joshua Bateman. I'm with HRP Associates. I'm shooting for my sister. Her name is Leslie Campbell. Leslie is my oldest sister of 5, so being the youngest of 9, never really grew up with her. She was out of the house, but recently she was told that she may be at risk for having breast cancer, so this is a good opportunity to support her.
You know, this event for cancer support that HRP does is a wonderful thing. This is my second year, and you know, recently as I get older, you know, cancer is touching more and more of my family and friends, and it's just wonderful that I get a chance to participate and help contribute to the cause for cancer prevention. And I can only do it because HRP is out in front doing great things, especially at a shooting event. Man, I love that. I'm actually shooting for my next door neighbor who just moved up with us to the mountains to her once in a lifetime vacation home, and you know, was a victim of cancer very suddenly, and she didn't get a chance to realize her dreams of living in the mountains, and it was just so sad, and it's just one example of many.
Hi, I'm Tad Gutchis. I'm COO and President for HRP Associates down here in South Carolina, and for the Clays for Cancer event. And the reason why I'm involved is to honor several folks that I do know, but more specifically 2 HRP employees, former employees, one who unfortunately passed away from the cancer, and that's Valerie Ireland, marketing director and specialist down here, very close friends of Sheila Jones, our admin assistant. And also for Laura Foll. She was also a marketing person who is a survivor of breast cancer. So every year during this time in October, always thinking about them as well as other individuals in the family, but this goes out to those 2 wonderful ladies.